Hello and welcome to AstralSolution55. I am Sugandha Solanki. In this video, I am going to discuss about the last card of Major Arcana, the World. This card is the card of completion. It tells about the achievement and fulfillment. It is showing a person is in perfect harmony in his or her life. It is the card of eternal wisdom, final success of your life, and that you are successful in all the opportunities that are available to you at the moment. They are endless. They will only bring further success and happiness in your life. You have gone through all the problems in your life and crossed through whole of the major arcana cards, endured every problem, and now you are reaping the reward of your hard work. You should be proud of yourself for this achievement and should enjoy this now, because the universe is smiling upon you and luck is on your side, because you are at the fulfillment, at the end of a cycle, and you are full of satisfaction and ready to share and care with everybody around you. To understand this card better, let's see the symbol. It's very colorful and with lot of symbols. First of all, you will notice it's a card number 21, which comes out to be 3. It's a positive Jupiter card, which is the significator of expansion and wisdom. This person is very successful in a harmonious state and have a feeling of contentment, and along with that this person has a lot of wisdom in his life now. All these symbols that you see outside this wreath, these are the symbols which are showing the selfishness, stubbornness and ego. So basically it is telling you that now this person has come out of all those ego, selfishness and stubbornness in his life, passed through all the hardship and now in a very stable state. The one leg is crossed, which shows that he has made right choices in his life to achieve whatever he has achieved now. There is an infinite symbol on this wreath which shows that success. You are now a superior human being and you have blessings of the God. The wreath itself shows that you are now protected in a very peaceful state. You are a pure soul and you are victorious in your life, in this phase of your life. Now this person is sharing and caring and giving away whatever he has with both the hands. He is in a very ultimate stage of fulfillment. It's a very positive card which shows success, achievement, fulfillment, enrichment, and ultimate satisfaction. It indicates that you are now a highly balanced and auspicious lucky person, and you should channelize your energy now for something new in life, and you'll be rewarded for your hard work. I hope you understood the meaning of this card. I will be starting the suit of cups from the next video. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.